In this session, I will be explaining the one question that identifying the input string is whether palindrome or not using the recursion. So the we know the what is the palindrome. So the technically what you can do is reverse the string and compare whether a string is same or not, and if reversed string and the input string is same, then that is called a palindrome. But the question is we need to solve this problem using the recursion. So let's move on this problem. So first of all, let me define input. Let where let input equal to Malayalam. So uh, if you reverse this string, then you will see the Malayalam from the reverse string also Malayalam, and the input string is also Malayalam. So this is palindrome. Another input may be let input equal to a single character string is always palindrome. Okay, this is also palindrome. So these are the strings which is palindrome. Now we need to make a function, and that function should be recursive, and that should detect the whether the string is palindrome or not. So now let's think about it, how we can do. Again, I'm using the left marker and right marker concept. So during the traverse of the string, first of all, I will point the left marker at the beginning of the character of the string, and the right marker will be pointed at the end character of the string. So left marker will be at the 0th position of character, and the right marker will be the last character string. Both character is same. Now increment the left marker to 1 and decrement the right marker to again the second last character of this string, and that is also same. Then continue for the third character with the third last character, and continue this until the left marker is not greater than or equal to right marker. So terminating condition for the recursion will be left marker should not be greater than or equal to right marker. One thing. And what about if I put the no string, empty string, then we need to check that corner case also. So terminating condition should be if a string length is less than or equal to 0. So let's start writing the code. So func is palindrome. Now input will be of type string, and left marker will be integer value, or right marker will be also integer value, and at the end of the processing we should return the boolean value whether this particular input string is palindrome or not. So boolean value. Now let me check the first terminating condition. Maybe there may be the chance of empty string, so we need to handle this corner case. So if input dot count is less than equal to 0 means empty string, empty string, empty string, then empty string is always palindrome, no? Yeah. So return true. Okay. Now another terminating condition will be if left marker is greater than or equal to right marker. So okay, if left marker is greater than, yeah, left marker is greater than equal to right marker, then also we have traversed the all the strings character, means the we we have traversed the all the string characters, then return true, return return true. Okay, why I am writing here the return true means during the traverse of the all the characters, so if we already found any character is not equal, in that case we will return false. Otherwise this process continues and we meet this condition. This condition if we meet means that all the characters are already compared and it is the same. So the we have traversed all the characters and it didn't violate the palindrome property, means the all the characters opposite characters are equal. So the at this point, if we meet this point means the string is already traversed and the string is palindrome. That's why I'm writing return true. You can do dry run. Let me complete the all the lines of code here, then we will see how it works. So again, so now next will be, now we are inside the recursive approach. So if not, then I need to get the character which is pointing by the left marker, and similarly I need to get the character which is pointing by the right marker. So let me get that character. So the left character, okay, let's make it short. Left char, input a string, and then I need to, yeah, input dot index, and okay, I need to read the character at this point. So input dot index, now input dot start index, this would be the 0 and the left marker offset value. Okay, and offset by left marker. Okay, so the technically what I am doing is start index means 0, this one string start index is 0, offset value, if left marker value is 0 then the offset value 0 means it will point this one. If the left marker value will be uh, 1, then the start index 0 and offset value 1 means it will point to A. Similarly, if left marker value will be 2, then start index 0 and 1 into L. So this is the way to read the character at the particular index. So this gives me the character pointed by the left marker. Similarly, let right character, let me copy it and simply I will change the offset value, right marker, yeah, okay. Now I got the left character and right character of the string pointed by the left marker and right marker. Now simply I need to compare it. So if left char is not equal to right char, so left character is not equal to right character. Maybe let's check Chandra. Okay, left character is not equal to right character, so it break the rule of palindrome. So we need not to do any kind of recursive here. I can simply return false. Now, if left character and right character is same, then I need to call the recursive. I need to continue the recursive approach, but I need to increment left marker by 1 and the I need to decrement right marker by 1. So in that case, I need to continue uh, to check the next character in the string, whether that is to violating the condition of palindrome or not. So return is palindrome. Now input a string and left marker should be increased by 1 and right marker should be decreased by 1. Okay, so let me run it, whether it is working or not, then we'll go through the code again. So let result equal to is palindrome. Input left marker should be 0, right marker should be length minus 1. Input a string dot length minus 1 input dot count minus 1. Okay, let me print the result. Print result. Okay, let me run it. True. So let me check with another data. False. Let me check it with one character data. It is palindrome. True. Let me check with empty data. It is also palindrome. True. AA. Let me check with true. ABA. True. Okay. So let's go through the code once again. So suppose this is the input string. Left marker is pointing to 0 index and the right marker is pointing to 2 index. In the first iteration, yeah, left character will be A, right character will be A. Both are matching, so we are not violating the palindrome condition when I checked the one character. Then not violating means I should continue for the another character also, so this is not executing. This will execute, and in this time left marker will be increased from 0 to 1 and right marker will be decreased 2 to 1. So left marker and right marker both will be pointing to 1. So this value will be 1 and this value will be also 1 in the next recursive run. And in the next recursive run, if will not be cast, this will be cast because the left marker and the right marker is equal to. So the basically both marker is pointing to the same character. So of course that is the palindrome. So we are returning true. So the after the termination of the recursive function, we are getting the true. So that's it for this question. And if you think this is fruitful for you, then please like and subscribe my channel, and you can give me the feedback in the comment section also. Thank you.